If you're experiencing billing issues on Venmo, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your transaction history. Review your transaction history in the Venmo app to identify any discrepancies. Look for unauthorized charges or incorrect amounts that could indicate a billing issue. Step 2. Update payment information. Ensure that your payment methods are up to date. Go to your account settings and verify that your linked bank account or card details are correct and active. Step 3. Contact the merchant. If the billing problem is related to a specific transaction with the merchant, reach out to them directly. They may be able to provide clarity or resolve the issue on their end. Step 4. Report the issue to Venmo. If the problem persists, report it to Venmo's customer support. Use the app's help section to submit a detailed description of the issue, including transaction ID and any relevant screenshots. Step 5. Monitor your account. After taking these steps, keep an eye on your account for any changes. Ensure that any refunds or adjustments are processed and that your billing issues are fully resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve any billing problems you encounter on Venmo. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Venmo support for further assistance.